Go running and see if... Little shit, she likes to get him wet. You can't wet it. She's just laughing her ass off.
Did you like that, Grandma?
Did I like it? I don't know. Did your dad like it?
Yeah.
Let him squirt you. Watch it. Close your eyes. So you can't see what's coming? Huh?
Why? Do you think what I'm going to do?
You think what I'm going to do?
I'm just going to squirt something else. Okay, so close your eyes.
Take the umbrella off your head.
Oh, she's smart. She goes over the top. You're a demon.
Let me shoot you now.
Let Daddy shoot you.
You take the umbrella. Okay?
What?
I hurt my toe.
Oh, you hurt your toe. Oh my goodness. We'll have to call the ambulance. You should have your shoes on. That's why I tell you to wear your shoes.
I like to wear.
You're quicker than your dad.
Huh?
You're quicker than your dad.
Come on. Grandma, come outside.
No, you're not squirting me. We gotta go to the party pretty soon. Hey, 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 don't, no, 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 no.
Sure, I'm taking it away. Told you, almost.
You must be run out of water pretty soon. Let Daddy shoot you.
You're wearing me out.
Let Daddy shoot you, so I can get you on video. You take the umbrella.
Take the umbrella.
You take the umbrella. See if Daddy can shoot you. Punk. You're not listening to me.
The umbrella.
She goes up and down. She's not stupid. And he puts the umbrella down. She sits at his feet. Oh, she's a menace. Don't you got the keys in there, have you? Well, she shouldn't be playing in the car anyway. You get out of the car, Punky.